And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Amy Johnson on the importance of the popcorn industry in Nebraska.
Now, Amy is back with a recipe to share with us. It's a recipe that puts the spotlight on a product that her family grows on the farm.
Well, we are heading back to Amy Johnson's farm near Springview, and we are going to hear about a recipe that I think everybody's going to like. Amy, tell us what you're making today.
Well, I'm going to make some turtle popcorn balls. So right before the segment, I popped some of our freshly grown popcorn. And so I have that ready to go and off to the side. Right now, I'm going to just start putting some ingredients in the pan. I've got marshmallows. We're going to add that. We're going to do a half stick of unsalted butter. And I'm just going to warm up melt the butter and the marshmallows. And so we need 16 cups of popped popcorn. And I have that already ready to go. And then we're going to, once this gets a little bit softer, I'll add in the rest of my marshmallows. All right, my marshmallows are melting here. I'm going to go ahead and add in this is caramel bites. I have sea salt caramel chips. I've got a fourth a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. One of the things that we do when we have this all melted and we pour and over our popcorn is we set aside some of those. I like pecan bites and mini chocolate chips and the caramel bites, and I'm going to set it here to roll our popcorn balls to have a little extra on the outside. I've got my chocolate caramel, like little sauce. I'm going to pour right over my popcorn. And just like any popcorn ball, it's going to be pretty sticky, or like Rice Krispie treats or anything else when you mix that all in there. Now, one of the tips on the recipe, and I will say this is what worked for us, is when you get most of that all in there, you're going to take good old spray and just spray your hand so it doesn't stick on there. And I'm just going to take one of these popcorn, I'm going to form them into a ball. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to roll it while it's sticky and fresh right into this pecan and mini chocolate chips caramel. You can eat them right away. They're best eaten right away. And I just put them on a cookie sheet with wax paper. And they're best eaten right away, but you could store them with a small bag, Ziploc bag, and they're great treats for neighbors. So it's the season of giving.
Thank you, Amy. That looks great, and can't wait to try it. Thank you for being with us today.